Welcome back viewers. In this second part of the OpenMandriva Lx 4.3 detailed review, we will checking out the different system utilities and applications. So let us start. Now I will close this. Let us directly head over to the system utilities. First, let us go over to the software repository selector. Now the network is working. In our first part, the network was not working. There was an issue with the network card, but now I have done the troubleshooting and it is working. So we had selected the three repositories: unsupported, restricted and non-free. Now you have to say OK, and we were in the update channel rock. So rock is the stable channel of OpenMandriva. Now we will go to DNF Dragora. Now it is able to sync with the repositories. I will show you how to update the system using DNF Dragora. Most of the people are well conversant with the Discover Software Center, but I will show you how to use the DNF Dragora here in today's video. So now the system is syncing. It is take some more time because it is a first sync with the repos. DNF Dragora is little bit slower than the Synaptic Package Manager, but it works. It requires some more time to sync initially when we have a fresh install of the system. So meanwhile it is syncing, let us go ahead and check out some other applications. So I think we have done everything. For what? Let me check. Yes, K backup. We will check the K backup. So we will now schedule a backup, regular backup. So let us use only the home folders for the backup. Or we can go for a system backup only, or we can do everything also, but the hard disk space is less, only 25 GB is there, so we cannot go with that. We'll have to either go for the root, or you can select the different folders. For example, we can do select all the root folders and then deselect the user folders. So this way we can have a configuration. So the system will back up the system files and folders and exclude the user folders. Then we can save these settings. We can save these settings as a profile. So I will write the name for the name of the this backup profile as K backup full system. We can have a K backup full system, or we need not write the K backup because it will be anyway K backup profile only, and we can save it in the home directory. So it is done, and we can just go here and again open the backup file for any changes, or we can delete that file and create a new file. So we can have new profiles, we can load the profiles. So whenever you want to do a manual backup, you have to load the profile. So that profile will be used for the backup, and then you have to specify to start the backup by clicking here. So it will start the backup manually immediately, and there should be some way to start automatic backup also. Let me check. You can specify the size of the archive, so it will not exceed their size. If the size is exceeded, the backup will stop. So we can have a size say 4.7 GB, or we can go for a 8.5 GB size. So this size is based on the standard DVD sizes. So we go with the 8.5 GB DVD, and we can have the archive size also, and we can save with the archive prefix, and we can do a full backup interval every day. We can specify 2 days. Let us go for a 30-day backup. So every 30 days the backup will be done, and the backup size won't exceed 8.5 GB. And we can specify whether the target needs the media change or the target does not need media change, and whether to compress or not to compress the files. So number of full backups to keep unlimited. So we will reduce this. We will go with 2 backups only, or we can go for a 1 backup. So immediately when a new backup is saved, the older backup will get deleted. So this is how to configure the K backup. I will now close this. So the DNF Dragora has synced in the background and it is ready for the use. Now we can install any of the packages that we want. For example, let us go over to the audio. So we have got the real-time audio. So this is the RT audio package. So it is a set of C++ classes that provide a common API for the real-time audio input output for the Linux. So we can, if you are a musician or if you are a recording artist and you want to record some audio video tracks with real-time, then you can use this package. So you can install this package real-time audio. It will get installed, and then it will reduce the latency to the maximum possible way, so that the tracks don't mismatch. So the video track and the audio track will not mismatch, or the multiple audio or video tracks will not mismatch, and they will be in the perfect sync. Suppose now we go for the communication. So Blue's official Bluetooth protocol stack is there, and you want to install some Blue's firmware, then you have to use this and then click here apply, so that Blue's firmware will be installed. Total size is 68 KB only, and you have to input your password every time you install a new package. So this is how you install the different softwares here. Now let us go over to the graphics. Let us see if something is there for us to install. Yes, there are some themes are there, so we can install those themes. So distro theme OpenMandriva Grub, distro theme OpenMandriva, and distro theme common. And there are some screensavers also. So let us install this. So it will be useful for us. And it shows the transaction dependencies. So when we pull these 3 packages, further some more packages are also going to get pulled. So we have to either agree or we don't agree with it. And I think we cannot, yes, we cannot split the dependencies, or we cannot cut the dependencies. So the dependencies as set by the developers are to be agreed or disagreed upon. We cannot have a in between way. So right now what we will do is we will not install this, because then we will not be able to check out the pre-installed or the default themes and wallpapers and all those things that are provided by the developer team. So I will not install right now. So what we will do is we will just remove the tick from here. Let us go over to the monitoring. What is there? Yes, one thing we can install is CPU. We can have a, yes, we can install Conky if you want. Let us see how the Conky works in OpenMandriva. So that also it is going to remove the Plasma workspace, Wayland. Okay, so we will not do that, because let us first check the system completely as it is developed by the developers, and then we can do all those things. Okay, now let me check. In music we can install something. Let us see. Audio, no. In sound, internet, Meteo is, yes, we can install Meteo. Let us see what happens, how the dependencies are met. Oh, it is again removing some things, so I will not do this. What we will do is we will just check whether we can install the updates. So the updates are not there here. Let me check. Not install. Okay, to update, let us check what is there to update. So it is not showing any updates here. So I will close this. Now let us head over to the this Discover Software Center, because in Fedora Cinnamon we can install the updates using DNF Diagora, but I think here it is not possible to use the DNF Diagora to install any updates. So let us go over to the Discover Software Center. Let us see if some updates are there. It will take some time. We can go to this system settings. Let us check out the themes. So here two themes, light and dark, are available. You can change the animation speed, you can change wallpapers. So let us check out the wallpapers what are available. Let us check the wallpapers that are available. So this is the two default wallpapers. Let us check some good wallpapers are there or not. Let us apply this wallpaper. Yes, this is nice looking wallpaper. Looks very beautiful. This is also nice looking. Oh, this is beautiful. This is a plain gray wallpaper. This one is OpenMandriva wallpaper. Very nice wallpaper. This is a typical OpenMandriva or Mandrake design. This one should look very good. Yes. So this is all the wallpapers that are available in the system. I will close this. Let us go back to the quick settings. Now in the appearance section, we have got four global themes: Breeze, Breeze Dark, Breeze Twilight, and the OpenMandriva 4.3 theme. In application styles, you have got Breeze Fusion and the MS Window 9X. In Plasma style, you got Air, Breeze, Breeze Dark, Breeze Light, and the Oxygen styles. In colors, you got Breeze, Breeze Dark, Breeze Light, Breeze High Contrast, Krita Blender, Krita Bright, Krita Darker, and the Krita Neutral. In Windows decoration, only two decorations are there, that is Breeze and Plastic. In fonts, the Noto Sans family of fonts is used along with the hack. In icons, you got Advaita, Breeze, Breeze Dark, and the Oxygen icons. Cursors, you got Breeze, Breeze Light, Contrast Large, White Glass, Red Glass, Handhelds, and the Wonderland. In splash screen, only three splash screens are there. There is one non, I think it is a just no splash screen. Okay, so this is the option for the no splash screen. Then you got the Breeze splash screen and the OpenMandriva splash screen. And the boot splash screen, there are three, but they are not available. The placeholders are empty. Otherwise, you got details, OpenMandriva, and text. Now we will go back. In startup and shutdown, the login screen HDDMs, there are four login screen HDDM settings. So you got the Breeze theme, Ilarun, Maldives, and the Maya. So system right now is using the Breeze login screen theme. Auto start, no applications are there by default in auto start. Background services, these are the applications that are running in the background service. Desktop session, so these are the settings for the desktop session. Then there are some settings for the grub2 bootloader. So the default entry is Mandriva Lx, and these are the advanced options available. These are the different kernels available. One console mode kernel is there, one recovery mode. So the same kernel is available as a graphical mode console mode and a recovery mode. And there is a memory test for the RAM testing. Appearance of the grub2 bootloader can be set from here. The different graphics mode that are available or can be used. So it is a no mode set. So right now any the grub will scale to any available resolution amongst this that is selected here, or you can have a fixed graphics mode that is 640 by 480, or you can specify a custom graphics mode. Keep the grubs resolution. You can boot in text mode, a different option unspecified and custom is there. Normal foreground, the normal background, all the settings are here, and you can also specify some wallpaper for the grub if you want. These are the search settings. Now we will go down. Let us check about this system. So this is already we have checked. Let us check the system D. So this will show you the different processes of the system D that are running, or the units of the system D that are running. So these are all system D services. These are all the user units of the system D. This is the configuration for the system D, sessions of the system D, and the timers associated with the system D services. So we have checked out the system settings. Now what is pending? I think the update was pending, yes. Okay, so total 172 updates are pending. I will click on the updates. It will show you the updates, what is available. So here you can see all the updates that are available. This is all the updates that are available. So it is a system-wide update touching many parts of the system. What we can do is, let us try to do the update. Let us check how much time it takes to update this system as compared to the BROS. So BROS was also running a KDE desktop. This OpenMandriva is also running a KDE desktop. So this is the user feedback settings. Now let us see how much time it takes for the update to complete. Right now it is 17 hours 59 minutes. Let's see what happens. Okay, so the update has completed. It took around 17 minutes for the update. The update size was around 939 MB. So it is faster than the BROS that we tested earlier in the last 3 videos. So now I will close this. Let us see if anything is pending to be shown to you. Yes, the desktop presets was pending. So we will now go to the desktop presets. Now the default preset is the OpenMandriva preset. Now if we want, we can go with the Plasma preset. So we have to apply. Let us see what happens. It is taking some time for the, yes, it has changed. You can see it here. The preset has switched to Plasma since not all applications have automatically reload all settings. Since not all applications automatically reload all settings, you may have to log out and log in back to see all the effects. So do you want to log out? Yes, we have to say yes. So we wait for the login and log off and login. Now let us switch off this welcome screen. We go again to the desktop presets. Now let us check out the Ubuntu preset. You have to apply the Ubuntu preset. So this preset depends on additional packages to be installed: icon theme Suru and the Qt theme Quantum. You will be asked to enter the root admin password to allow installing these packages. Confirm the password. The dialog will hang for a while the packages are being downloaded and installed. Give it a bit of time. So okay, we will give it a bit of time. Input the root password and we wait for the preset to be installed. It will take some time. You have to wait patiently. Okay, so again we will have to log off. So this is how it looks. I think it is still not populated all the icons in the side panel. So you can see here GTK like icons are there. So I think still we will have to wait some time. We are waiting for some more time, but I think nothing is appearing here. So what we will do is we will go over and again open the desktop presets. Let us try the Windows 10 preset. And yes, there is one setting. So there is an option to use the dark version of the preset if available. So if the preset theme is available in dark version, you can use that. You have to use this tick box here. So we will use this in the last preset, that is the Mac OS. Let us check out. But we can use this for the Windows 7 and Mac OS. Let us see. Windows 10 we do as the default what is available. Okay, so this is how it looks. The size of panel should have been reduced. This is not exactly the way. Okay, so it is asking us to log off, so that will be better. The size of panel should have reduced because the thick panels don't look like they look in the Windows 10 or the Windows 7. So the developers should work on this and reduce the default panel size in the Windows 10 and 7 desktop presets. Okay, so this is how it looks. Not exactly like Windows 10 or 7, but still okay. Now let us use this dark version of the theme if preset available. Now we will go with the Windows 7 preset. The best looking is Mac OS, I tell you. I have used this earlier, so Mac OS for the best looking. Now we'll have to apply this. Here you can see the apply button has got to the end. So there is definitely some resolution problem also. Scaling of the resolution is not proper when we change the desktop presets. But still this is better than the Windows 10. Windows 7 look is still better than Windows 10. Yes, this is better, far better than what the Windows 10 look achieved. We will go back again to the settings, desktop presets. This is better, far better. You can see here, far better than what is there. Yes, this is better. Now let us go to the Mac OS. Select this dark version of preset. Select Mac OS and then apply. This will cause the latte doc to be downloaded and installed. So that will take some time. And do remember that latte doc is not under development. the development has ceased for Lattedock. So in near future, you might have problem with the Lattedock. Some bugs might creep up because the latte development has stopped. But till the Lattedock works properly, you can use this desktop preset. It is very beautiful looking desktop preset. I think this is the best desktop preset available in the OpenMandriva. So do you wish to log out? Yes. Yes, there is some issue with the resolution of the screen. You see, I am not able to use the shutdown or switch off button for this window, close button or shut off button or whatever you say. So that's it. And there is this latte dock at the bottom. You have got just the text editor. Then I think this is the browser or what, and this is the welcome app, and the clock is there. So you will have to work on this. You have to install some launchers for the applications that you want, but otherwise it is working. And at the top there is a panel, so you get the application menu here. This is the instant messenger, the volume controls. What is this? This is the network manager, the notification and status area, and the date time function. So it is perfectly working. If you install some application launchers, it will look very beautiful. And with this, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. So in next video, we will start again with the Nix OS. So I will show you how to install packages, upgrade the system, and all those things. So totally, we will be focusing on the package management of the Nix OS. So I will do short videos, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, at the most 15 minutes, not more than that. And we will do a series of videos on the Nix package manager, how to install the packages, how to search for the packages, all those things we will do. So there will be a video for the update of the Nix OS. Then one video we will install the package, video we will uninstall the package, one video we will search the package. So we will have a series of videos, short videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.